Hey everyone, this is Kokon from WPBravo. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer a website to a new domain. Not only a domain, after watching this video, you can transfer any WordPress website to new domain or new hosting. So without wasting any time, let's see how to do that. For example, this is my website where my domain name is WPBravo. I want to transfer this whole website to a new domain. Let me tell you that more clearly with an example. I have a domain that name is domain.a.com. I want to transfer this whole website to a new domain that called domain.b.com. So I am transferring this website domain.a.com to domain.b.com. Let's see how to do that. I have this website in Bluehost. First of all, I have to download files and database of this site from Bluehost. Bluehost.com. This is my login information. Here I will see all the sites those are hosted on Bluehost. I want to download files from a specific website. So this is my website. Click to setting. Click to file manager. Now I will select all files to download, so that I will click select all. Then I will compress. Right click on my mouse, then compress. Otherwise I can do that from here. Compress. Both will do the same work. Let's click to compress. Then I have to choose my file type. You can make it zip, you can make it tar, whatever you want. Let's make it tar. I can change the name of this file that is now well known right now. I'll make it with my domain name domaina.tr. Then click to compress file. Whole file are compressed. Once you reload this folder, you will see this file here. This is 254 MB right now. Right button to download this file, then click to download. I'll choose the folder location, then click to save. Downloading time can take depends on file size or server location. In the meantime, I want to download the database. So what is my database? I have to know that first. I can find the database name from this folder. I'll click to wp-config.php, then click to edit. This is my database. Now I will back to my Bluehost cPanel, then click to phpMyAdmin. Here is the list of my database here. From this list, I will find my database. So my database name was, this is my database. I'll click this database name so that it will expand here. Now to export this database, I have to click to export. Everything will remain same, just click to export. I'll click to save. This is my file and this is my database. I can change the domain name from this database right now. My domain name is this one. So if I right click to this database and edit with Notepad, I will search site URL. I will click to replace there. So find what is, I will find this one, and I will replace this with this one. I have to make it same with www and https. Everything should have exact with this /. So this is what I want to replace with this one. After that, I will click to replace all. Total replace is 45. After that, I'll close this and save this database. That's it. I could change this name after uploading this database too. That is very easy than this, and I will show you that too. Now let's log into my Namecheap account where I want to upload these files and database. After logging to my Namecheap account, I will navigate to hosting list. Then I will click to go to cPanel. Now I am in my cPanel account where I want to upload my website. I have to do two things here. I have to upload files and I have to upload my database. First of all, let's upload my database. To upload database, I have to create a new database here. To create a new database, I can clicking over here, or I can create database with this magic tool, MySQL database wizard. I'll click to this link. I have to give a database name here. Always try to give a strong database name so that hacker can't guess it. I'll click to next step. My database name is created. I'll keep this record in a separate file. After that, I have to put a username here. After putting my database name, I have to choose a strong password. I'll click to password generator, then I will generate a strong password. Then I'll click to create user. My database username is this one. I'll keep all those records. Database name, database username and password. I need all this information later. I'll click to all privilege, then make change. My database creation is done. Now I can upload my files. How to do that? I'll go back to cPanel, then I will click to phpMyAdmin. There is also a list of database. I have to pick the right one. So this is my database that is I just created. I'll click to this. This is an empty database. So I'll import file here. How to do that? I'll click to import. Then everything will remain same. Then I'll choose my database file. This is my database and I'll open it. Then click to import. My database is imported. If I click to this link again, I will see all of my database table here. Now I will upload my files. To upload file, I'll go back to my cPanel, then click to file manager. I'll click to public_HTML, then I will upload files. To upload files, I'll click to upload. Then select my files. This is the file, then click to open. Friends, our file uploading is done. Now I will back to my folder and reload this. This is our file. Now I have to extract this file. How to do that? I'll right click here and there is the extract link. Or I can do that clicking this extract button. Both will do the same work. This is where I want to extract my file, then click to extract. File is extracted. Now let's summarize what I have done. I downloaded all files from Bluehost server, then I changed the domain name from my database, then upload file to Bluehost. Now what I have to do is I have to change my database name. Not only database name, username and password. To change that, I'll click to wp-config.php and click to edit. Then click to edit again. This is the database name when the file was in Bluehost. Now my files and database in Namecheap, and Namecheap database is different from Bluehost. So I have to change this name and password. This is my database name. I'll copy this, then paste it here in between 2 colon. Don't add extra space and don't remove any colon here. Just in between colon. Paste it here. Then here is the username. What is our new username? Username is this one. And this is the password. This is the password in between 2 colon. Now I'm gonna save this file. That's it. I have done all my things. My domain a.com is successfully transferred to domain b.com. This is the new domain. Let's check it. Website is loading fine and it's working fine. Everything is working fine. That's it. One important thing to mention, if you have the same server, just you want to transfer your domain name, but hosting server will remain same, then you don't need to upload and download files and database. What you have to do is just go to phpMyAdmin, then select the database, then find the options here, then change site URL and home URL. That's it. But if you want to transfer your hosting and domain both, then you have to download all files and database of the site, then upload to your new hosting, then change the domain name. So this is how we can transfer our website to a new domain. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions. I promise you I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Hope to see you in my next WPBravo tutorial. Till then, take care.